Okay, this will be my first video ever. I am working on a Kawasaki ZRX 1100. We are tackling the brakes. Yeah, love brakes. Let's do this. Okay, we're going to try to put these together and bleed them. Let's see how this goes. Bike's been sitting for a couple years, if you can't tell. I mean, I got action in the master cylinder, but there's not much of a brake there. So we are gonna have to see that rusty bleeder there. Yeah, we're gonna have to take that rusty bleeder open. This ought to be fun. Here we go. Oh, we're gonna spray this with some cheap Dollar General lubricant because I'm broke. Well, people, believe it or not, the bleeder came loose. Right? With how loose it was, of how rusty it was, I'm surprised. My trusty, dusty Tractor Supply 10mm ratchet wrench. And we have no brake still. And it's not bleeding. Interesting. Okay. Let's tighten this back up and dig a little deeper. Okay, it's tight. We should have some kind of pressure, but we do not. We have nothing, and it's filled with fluid. They are not working at all. Oh, move over to the other side. That would be why, because that's not tight at all. And it's soaked. And we might have a bad caliper. Oh, we got some kind of movement out of the master cylinder now. I think we might be building some brake pressure. I don't know, she don't seem loose. Where would... Okay. Oh. There's the back bleeder. No, it was tight. Oh, not really. Now it's tight. Now let's see if we have any brake. Oh, it was doing something. Talking to him. Let's crack the bleeder again, see if I get anything out of it. Negative. Okay, that one ain't getting shit out of it. Okay, let's crack the back one again. It shouldn't have anything to do with the back one, because the back one should be on a pedal. Interesting. All right. Trying to crack this one again. See if we get anything. Well, it was squirted dirting, but now it's not doing a damn thing. Okay. Let's close the bleeders again. Gotta love brakes. No matter what they're on. Well, we got some kind of fluid there. Okay. Still not squirting. Not doing a damn thing. We got no fluid. Well, that's amazing. Well then. Okay, and just so y'all know out there, these take .4 brake fluid. If you put anything else but .4 in there, it will mess it up. They do make a synthetic blend by Valvoline 3 and 4, so you can use it on both. Just figured I'd give you a little tip. Okay, we'll add some fluid to the stopper thingy. See what happens. We go real slow, you can feel it. You can see a little bubble here and there. I'm gonna say we have a bad brake hose, but we'll see what we can do here. Okie dokie. We're gonna take the master cylinder apart here and see if we got any fluid coming out of the master here. Cause I don't know. It looks like there is. Well, yeah, we got fluid coming out the master. Not a lot. I think I'm gonna take a wild guess and say this master cylinder ain't no good. not. Yeah. We're going to try to empty this and clean it out. I'm going to go and say that I'm pretty sure there's a clog somewhere. Because, like, if I hold my finger on it, you'll have pressure and it'll squirt fluid like crazy. But if I go like that, barely any comes out. So I'm going to say one of these ports in the bottom of the master cylinder clogged. That's what I'm going to say. And it's not letting enough fluid out. Almost seems like somebody put .3 in it when it's supposed to have .4. Okay, be right back. A little bread twisty tie down in the hole to clean it out. They make a tool for this, but I'm cheap. Okay, fill her back up. Let's see if we get any fluid coming out. Okay. Get our other washer here. Damn acorns. Yeah. What acorns hitting the tin roof. Put our line back on. Tighten that up. Yes, it moved because I don't have it completely tight. Why is there no pressure? I'm going to go out on a limb and say our brake hoses are bad. Yeah, I think so. Because the master cylinder's working. So, pretty sure I got this tight again. My dauber nest. No, I do not. No, that could be why. Let's tighten it. We all make mistakes. No pressure. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Nothing. Yeah, that would be a 12. Which we have somewhere here. The magic of video editing. 20 years later, I have the 12mm socket. Being that I am recording by myself, I will have to put you down for a minute so I can loosen that brake hose up. As I suspected, nothing coming out of the brake hose. Not a drop. Well, there might be a drop. There should be a lot more than that coming out of there. Okay. I'm going to go out on a limb and say there's something wrong with these hoses. So we're going to try to take this apart. And I can't get the dang ratchet in there because there ain't no room. Okay, so I'm going to have to find a 12mm wrench. Okie dokie. Let's try to get this hose off. Well, I'll be damned. That might be an 11. Yep. That might be an 11. Okay. Well, apparently this bolt is a size that ain't a minute. Because nothing fits it. That doesn't fit it. Nope. No, no, and no. Okay. Well, that's interesting. 10 doesn't fit it. 11's too small. 12's too big. So, that would be awesome to know what the hell size it is. Did that come loose? You stay there. No, I did not come loose. I'm going to go out on a limb and say we have bad brake hose. Because we are not getting any fluid out of the hose. This is not surprising for how long it sat here. Because, wait, what? It is not building any pressure. So it's either A, master cylinder bad, B, brake hose bad. Well then. I think I'm going to need new tires too. Okie dokie.